Take the sling. Wear it like a shirt. Unfold both flaps. Check that the backrest fits snugly to the body. Pull the flaps to make the band adhere to the body to position the baby at the right height. Create space for the baby by lowering the intersection of the flaps with your hands. Take the baby while supporting the head and the back correctly. Place the innermost flap in the hollows of the knees. Place the baby on the other shoulder. And insert the other flap into the hollows of the knees. Place the child to the center of your body. The child assumes the physiological position at M. Trace the innermost edge and turn it upside down. Spread it on the baby's back from one knee to the other. Lift the flap up to the armpit. Repeat the procedure also with the external flap. Make sure the flaps are open well. Make sure that the child's back is properly supported. Adjust if tension is needed by pulling the flaps forward past the rings. Take the support strap. Wrap it behind the baby's back, hugging him from the nape to the bottom. Close with a double knot behind your back. If necessary, cover the feet with the band to give a sense of containment. To remove the baby, uncover the feet. Untie the knot of the support band. Keeping the baby safe, open the cross flap starting from the outermost one. Completing with the innermost one. Take the baby with both hands under the armpits.